Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get SMS alerts from Gmail via Twitter. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Firstly, visit the sign-in page of Twitter. Link will be provided in the description for easy access. There, sign in using the Gmail address for which you want to get alerts. After signing into your Twitter account, you will find the interface as showing in the tutorial. Click on the More. Then an options list will open. Click on the Settings and Privacy option. It takes you to the Settings page. Move to the Privacy and Safety option. Choose the Audience and Tagging option in that section. Enable the Protect Your Tweets option by checking in the option. Then it asks for confirmation. Click on Protect to confirm the decision. Now, go visit our article, link will be in the description. Scroll down to find the section showing in the tutorial. Click on the link and it will take you to the Google Sheets. You can also find that link in the description. There, click on the Make a Copy option. Then you are moved to the Google Sheets. There you will find Gmail to Twitter option. Click on it. And two options will be shown. Choose the Authorize Twitter option by clicking on it. Then it asks for confirmation. Click on Continue to allow permission. Then it shows you the Gmail accounts. Choose the account which you linked with Twitter. It shows you the page as displaying on screen. Click on Advanced. And click on Go to Untitled Project option. It asks to allow some permission. Click on Allow, and from now you can get SMS notification to Gmail via Twitter. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.